Welcome back, YouTube fans. It's your boy Glitch. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to track people GPS location from their computers and even their cell phones. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel as we unravel the secrets of hacking and explore the limitless possibilities of the digital world. Welcome, YouTubers. Do I got something in store for you today? So there's a lot of YouTube channels showing you how to track a phone and computer on the internet. One of my favorites comes from Z Security. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. It's just one of the channels that I love to watch. And if you go to Google and you type in track a phone or a computer over the internet using Stormbreaker, then it'll bring you here to the github.com/ultrasecurity/Stormbreaker. Go ahead and hit code. And when you hit that, you'll get your download availability. Go to 00 web host and create an account. I already have one, so I'll log in for you. Once you get here, you'll need to create a new website. Simple, just click create. I already have one called Memes Near You. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Click manage. Scroll down, click on File Manager. This is what we'll be operating in. Once you get in here, click public_HTML. You'll have some files and folders in here, delete those. Grab Stormbreaker from your download folder. I went ahead and made an error on purpose because many of you will do this on the first try. As you can see, I have Stormbreaker in a zip file. The only thing we need from here is storm-web. All these other ones we won't need. So go into that file. We'll need everything in here. Drag and drop them. As you can see, that drag and drop did not work. The reason being is it's still inside of the zip folder. You cannot drag and drop inside of a zip folder. So go back to the downloads, go back into Stormbreaker, take StormWeb, drag and drop it to where you want. Now we can drag and drop those folders. Upload them. The hard part's done. That was the hard part, guys. Like everything you pretty much need, we just did. Now it's up to you to social engineer and to come up with something that works. But the hard part's done. Once these are done uploading, all of those files will be in your public_HTML. Now we can go back and go to the website you created. The username and password is admin. That's the default for Stormbreaker. This is all you need. As you can see, it shows my website. Here it tells you what it does. This is the camera template. It asks for access to their cameras. Then you have the microphone. This records the microphone over and over and over, everything they're saying. This is the one we'll be focused on mainly, is the near you. Normal data, everything grabs normal data, so you can use this one, but you don't need to. My favorite is the weather. I'll show you that one as well. So I'm gonna copy this link. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the website, the web pages side by side so you can see it in action. Left side is the victim's computer, right side is mine. So let's go ahead and send them the link. As you can see, when they go to the website, it grabs their IP already. One of the main things that we need. Grabs their IP, grabs a little bit of information about their computer. When they click continue, it won't do anything. The reason being is this site needs to be HTTPS. So just change it. When you send the link, make sure you send it in HTTPS format. You'll see it'll grab the information to the right again. Same information, nothing changed. This time though, when they click continue, they'll be asked, do they want to allow the location? I'm gonna block it just so you can see what happens here on the right hand side. You'll see in a second, I have my information blurred. but it does say the user blocked it. Now I'm going to show you what happens if you social engineer properly and the user hits allow. You'll get a GPS location, and then you'll get a pop-up on your browser that takes you directly to the location. Guys, it's showing you where I'm sitting at in my house, which wall, the closest room, and everything. That's the power of GPS compared to an IP. An IP may give you a general location. GPS gives you on the spot. Let's try a different one here. The normal data is what we've already collected. It'll just show you the IP address and so forth. It's functional. They can hit full screen and it'll go full screen and so forth and give you the same information that we've already collected, IP address and so forth. Now, we're gonna go ahead and clear this so you can see it. Even if we do the HTTPS version of this, it does the same thing. It's still gonna show you the same information. It's just collecting normal data. Now my favorite, the weather. Send them the weather one. Once again, it won't do anything unless it's an HTTPS. But you can see it just gives me Paris, France. Guys, I promise you I'm not in Paris. I wish I was, but I'm not. So when they change the location, of course they have to allow it. That grabs the same geolocation information. On a cell phone, this is phenomenal. It's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and skip that because y'all already know it's gonna show my exact location. Now this is the microphone one. You can have it redirect to a website or whatever you want it to do. You'll have to code that a little bit, but it's the microphone. Once they hit allow, it'll actually listen. I'm gonna hit block, and it's still going to refresh and try to grab my mic. As you can see, it's continuously grabbing my data because it's trying to record the sound. So that is using Stormbreaker on a website, guys. Like, it's super easy. It's amazing. It will require you to understand a little bit about social engineering and how to deliver that link, where you're going to deliver it to. Please remember, this is all illegal unless you have permission or you're doing it to yourself. If you have any questions, drop it below. If the video is too fast, pause it at any time. Also, let me know to slow down. Like I said, I'm doing these videos to help you guys understand missing information in some of these hacks and some of the things that are going on with cybersecurity. I just want to really fill in the gaps of the missing information. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll check back in with you guys in a couple days with a new video. And to all of my hacker and hackerettes, remember, knowledge is power, so keep exploring, stay curious, and hack responsibly. Until next time, happy hacking.